another video, and today we're at Cowabunga.
Water park fun!
So, by the way, my sister's just getting the water. If you're concerned, don't worry.
Mommy's gonna be stabbed.
No. But well, we're gonna see you in the. I forgot.
At the kids' cove where we play in water. Yay! See you there. Peace out. Fidgets is doing relaxing, Mommy. Oh, it's so nice and comfy. Oh, I'm taking a rest. Or are you gonna make me swim, Mommy?
Yes. You wanna rest?
Oh.
You wanna rest or no? Rather come back. She has to make her own decision.
Bring me back. I wasn't done.
Rather come back.
Okay. I'm gonna rest while Mommy go on big rides. Oh, I do roly-poly.
How about I cover you up so you can take a nap?
Okay, good night, everybody.
Remember the slide? The Fidgets and Max?
Love you.
They went flying.
Night-night. Hi, Mommy. I'm done with my nap.
Well, sweetie, this is probably going to scare you. Well, sweetie, this is probably going to scare you, but there's a lightning storm heading here.
Oh, no, Mommy. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. We go home.
Yes, we're going home right now. We have to evacuate the park.
Okay.
Maybe we can have like a little bathroom kind of thing.
Okay, we go home, take a bath. Look at all the rain clouds. Okay, let's go.
You want me to wrap you up in your towel when we get into the car?
Yes, Mommy. Okay. Hey guys, we're back at home. Fidget survived rainstorm. Now I'm in comfy diaper.
It's a pants.
Makes me so mad. Oh, Mommy makes me mad.
But there's a soft pretzel here.
We're gonna be eating some lunch and watching Harry Potter year 4, okay?
Yeah.
Look at delicious lunch for Fidgets. I'm gonna eat all cookie
all mine.
and eat all the pretzel, and Mommy get none of it. None of it.
She only eats like a smidge. Stop it.
Okay, so okay, I'm gonna eat and start watching Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Okay, see you later, guys.
Okay, guys, we're back at home, and we're gonna give Fidgets a bath.
We finished Harry Potter. It was good. Yeah, a little scary though. I thought it was gonna eat me.
Your diaper's on backwards, Missy.
I was trying to take it off.
Yeah, and when I found out you were, then you put it on.
Okay, Fidgets take a bath now, Mommy. Nudie Fidgets.
Yeah,
Look at me, I nudie butt. Okay, get water, Mommy.
cold or warm?
It doesn't matter. I like both. Fidgets is gonna take a bath, Mommy.
Okay.
I take bath right now. Okay, Fidgets take bath. Let's go.
Sorry, my hand is wet, even though it's probably gonna get more wet.
Let's go.
Do you want to put some nice smelling stuff in it?
Yes, Mommy. Let's soap up the water so Fidget's gonna be nice and clean. Okay, rub Fidgets now, Mommy.
Okay. Jeez, it's so demanding.
Scrub Fidgets. Oh, that's still very divine, Mommy.
Okay, guys. This is all. I actually suggest like soap that's not in a bar if you clean it early, and avoid their eyes because it can sting really bad.
It does. You've done that to me before, Mommy.
Are you talking about when I was putting your eye drops in?
Oh, eye drops are horrible, Mommy.
That was when you were a baby. Baby.
I will Do do do, singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm happy again.
Okay,
Oh, it's cold, Mommy. It's cold. Oh, 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 yeah! I don't like it on Fidget's head. Oh, are we done, Mommy?
yes, but your back of your head is very dirty. I have to get it again.
Oh no! Take me home, Mommy. I will go night. Oh, Fidget's good night. Fidget's bedtime, Mommy. Night. All done.
Okay, there, we done.
Okay, put Fidget's in towel. Oh, it's cold.
I understand.
Rub my booty.
No, I'm not doing that.
Rub it.
Weirdo.
Okay, nice and wrapped up. Okay. Let's go to room. Go night.
Okay.
Fidget's underwear diaper.
Underwear tape.
Okay, we go to bed
Yeah.
in mansion. Fidget has mansion. Mansion for
Close your eyes.
Fidget. Oh, night, Mommy.
I didn't put you in your diaper.
Night,
yet.
Mommy.
Diaper / underwear.
Shh, Mommy, you're too loud.
Little weird.
Oh no, diaper!
Yeah, you're so loud.
It's Fidget's house. I can do what Fidget wants.
Yeah. And Fidget gets passive.
Sticky Patsy.
It's been a long time since you've had your passive.
You put Fidget's diaper on now, Mommy.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
Night.
Love you, Mommy.
Tomorrow we're going to go shopping.
Okay. We get clothes for Mommy's big day of 5th grade.
Night.
Good night, Mommy. Give me kisses. Love you.
Oh no! There's a mark.
Uh-oh. Mommy, your big face is dirty after bath.
There we go.
Okay. Okay. Phew. Okay.
I have to go say goodnight to your little brothers and sisters. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, tell me how you liked the video.